Hi guys, and welcome to Big J's Blu-Rays. We'll be looking at UK editions, imports, some DVDs and limited editions. Please, if you like my videos, give them a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Right guys, here's unboxing. We have all the way from Australia, Spider-Man No Way Home 3D. So, bonus features exactly the same as the UK edition, so no difference whatsoever apart from the Australian sticker. Open it up. So inside you've got Spider-Man No Way Home 3D disc, and it's a region, I think that one's a multi-regional, and you've got the 2D disc, which I believe is region B. So no artwork, no disc artwork. So there you go, Spider-Man No Way Home 3D, all the way from Australia. Thank you very much to my family in Oz, Bailey and Brandon. Thank you very much guys for sending in. Well, not much to show on there, apart from it's a 3D disc and they don't do them in Blighty. Alright guys, give it a thumbs up. See you next time.